So hi, good morning. So by the way, I'm Vonrex, and they used to call me Bonyek, and I will be your Sherpa.
Let him.
Wala pa nagpapicture ako.
Hey,
Hello.
look who's here.
Good morning.
Hello, sir. Come on in. You gotta get used to the camera. Van Rex Requirme, Mr. Bonyek, aka Sherpa, aka locally famous, aka the giant tarsier. It is an honor to have him on our team. The way we met was pretty interesting. We actually met in 2019 when we had a few friends come with us and we were checking out the coconut farm because we were then inspired by this dream of working with coconuts in the Philippines, creating a distribution center, working with low-income farmers, creating a social enterprise. And we went to go tour this coconut farm, and we were not ready to go on the trek, but when we were there, they were like, oh, you got to check out this view. So it was him and Kuya Allen, Mr. Von Rex and Kuya Allen, that took us to the top of the mountain in our sandals. No water, so they climbed coconut trees and fed us with fruits from the forest, and rain started coming. They covered us with banana leaves. And at that moment, we created some great memories just because it was so random and such an awesome experience to have that happen. What do you know? What do you know? What don't you know?
Uh, she said that just like that, using the camera or searching for those agriculture. That
Agriculture, business, kind of everything. I think we want to really capture the essence of Bohol.
mm-hmm.
I've got some things to talk about the job title and everything. You know what? You ever heard of the word Sherpa? Sherpa is like in the Himalayan mountains, like Nepal, things like that. They climb the mountains,
Uh-huh.
and the mountains can get very dangerous.
Mm-hmm.
But there's a group of people called the Sherpa, and they're like the locals. They're very knowledgeable of the weather, of the mountain, of the path, where to go, and so they're like a lot of people trust them. They hire them, or they'll use them to help guide up the mountains.
Okay.
I'm calling you my Sherpa
Ah.
of the Philippines.
Oh.
Yeah. So you're my Sherpa, and I think I needed somebody to know the people, speak the language,
Okay.
be able to go with me around.
Okay.
So
I'm speechless because this is a new journey for me.
it's a new journey, period. Well, now you're family, so you just make yourself at home.
So ako magdahom nga maabot ko ani nga dapita kay sukad sa una ang ako nahilig rig kog trabaho nga bisag unsa lang gyud. Hantod sa night time nga dito na ko sa farm, then naining bisita namo, then usa sa mga family members sa tagiya sa farm, murag dito nagsugod ang tanan. Nagka-ila-ila me, then wa po ko magdahom nga sa kadugayng panahon katol day sila mga tawhana nga atong time mo kay na-enjoy damo namo ang panahon adto kay amo jung gipakita nila kung unsay kinabuhi sa dito namo sa farm. Then wa ko magdahom murag pinagtagpo ng tadhana. So antod karon nga naka-start ko nila last July 2022 nya hantod karon na wa jud ko magdahom nga ingabot na ko pila ka months, then sa tinud-anay nga wa jud ko ingog nagmahay nga naa ko nila kay gipangga gyud ko kog tarong nila as ug unsay ilang gi-promise nga ang pag-treat nila nako. So magpasalamat ko kayo ko sa Ginoo pod kay nga sila murag grabe matinabangon kayo And then especially sa about sa family, so willing gid kayo sila mo tabang especially sa mga local farmers.
So fast forward, we make the decision to move here, and we are literally new to living in Lobok, and we're trying to find out what do we need to do, who do I need to talk to. I can't speak the language, being Cambodian from Long Beach, growing up in America, not a lick of Visaya. So I was like, I need somebody to be my right hand person. I wanted somebody witty, somebody outgoing, somebody that knew the locals, and we ran into him at a family party. And Cheryl was like, "Isn't that the guy?" We pulled up our Instagram stories from back then and saw him, and we were just showed it to him, laughing hilariously. And for the last couple weeks after that encounter with him at the party, I was like, "Man, I need somebody like that." So he was working for a close family member of ours, and he's a trusted man that has been working with her for a few years. So I was like, I can't take somebody like that away from her. So I called her. I said, "Hey, do you have somebody like Bonyek, or can you ask Bonyek to ask his friend to see if somebody would want to work with me?" And she said, "Okay, I'll talk to him." Well, a couple of days passed by, and she says, "What is he going to be doing? What is the job description?" So I give it to her, the all-around person, my right-hand guy. This is the opportunity that we've got, and she just goes, "Well, sounds like a great opportunity for somebody to work with you, and I think he deserves the opportunity." And I was like, "Are you sure?" I know that he's trusted, and so they had the discussion. It was great that he trusted the process, because some crazy guy like me coming to the Philippines doing what we're doing is a very faithful task to go about it, because I'm walking in faith every day. So once he came on board, it was a right away we clicked. Right away we started doing adventures, started trying to film each other, doing stuff in the ocean, stuff with the locals, stuff in the rice field, until we were able to grow a team. And we looked for editors, pretty much just grew the team that's behind the camera and behind the computer doing all this stuff now. But now it's just like family. Now we are on the same mission, got the same vision. Very different from me. I mean, he's funny, very friendly, is well known around here as a guy that says hi to everybody. And I'm more of the serious guy that just wants to get stuff done. So it's a great balance and a mutual respect to one another. So again, Von Rex is my Sherpa, my all-around guy, my tour guide, my translator, my friend, and we're doing amazing stuff here to really make sure that we're gonna help low-income farmers create a social enterprise that empowers them and creates a system of sustainability through finances. So this is a wonderful adventure that we're going to be going through, and we're just going to have some fun while we're doing it, whether it be that guy, where he doesn't wake up the next morning, or is going to be going out and having great adventures, meeting new people, having lunch, meals, and breaking bread with people, but pretty much living life going after the same mission. So guys, follow him, and you guys will not be disappointed. He'll make you laugh, he'll make you cry, he'll make you cry because you're laughing so hard. And even if he doesn't have to talk, just look at his face. One to remember. All right, guys, that's Von Rex for me. And I think it'll explain by itself when you see us together.